From confusion to conclusion, I am there for you. Knowing the need and giving you a right solution is the speciality shown here. Hope you all guys feel free to access this channel for easy preparation. Now, let's join together to solve the problem on the screen. Now, this is the problem from multiple integrals and we have to use, by changing the order of integration, we have to evaluate integral 0 to 1, and this is integral 1 to 2 minus x, xy, this is dy, dx. First of all, we have to identify the limits. So which limits are it is? So these are the y limits. See, it's y limit and these are the x limits. So now what is given here? It is very clearly given that x is equal to 0 and here x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2 minus x. In this, if you see, this can be written as x plus y is equal to 2. So if I keep x is equal to 0, so if I keep x is equal to 0 here, then 0 plus y is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2. So we got the point of intersection as, when I keep x is equal to 0, I got y is equal to 2. So the point of intersection is nothing but 0, 2. And here, so we have to plot all these points. X is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, and this one, it is a straight line. So x plus y is equal to 2. So let me plot this one. So this is the origin point, and here if you observe this one, so this equation will be, so here what is this? Y is equal to, so this part will be, if you see, so this is 0, 1 and this is 0, 2. This is 0, 2. And if you observe this one, so this will be 1, 0 and this is 2, 0. So if you observe this one, so this is y is equal to 1 line. And this value is nothing but in terms of y. So y is equal to, so this is the line y is equal to 2 minus x. And this is x is equal to 0. So if you observe this one, so the point of intersection, so it is the point, if you observe this one, so this is 1, 1. So these are all the points and the strip will be like this. So this is the vertical strip. The region also I'll show you. So this will be the region. So this is the region R. So in this, we have to find the integration. So actually this was given. So x is equal to 0, it is mentioned here, and y is equal to 1 is this line which is parallel to x-axis, and x is equal to 1. See, where is x is equal to 1? So this will be x is equal to 1. I'm showing. So this is the line x is equal to, so this is the line x is equal to 1, and this is, which is a straight line, that is x plus y is equal to 2. So the points here are 0, 2 and this is 2, 0. So this is in terms of y, if I write y is equal to 2 minus x, and this is the vertical strip. So this is the region. So this was given. So first of all, we have to identify the limits, that is y is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2 minus x, and this is x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. So after that, if I make a point of intersection, if I keep x is equal to 0, I got the point as 0, 2. So I have plotted as 0, 2 here, and in terms of y, this is y is equal to 2 minus x, this is x is equal to 0, this is y is equal to 1, this is x is equal to 1, and the region is shown, and the vertical strip which is sliding towards this line to this line, it is shown here. And now what we have to do, the problem here is we have to change the order of integration. Now changing the order of integration, changing the order of integration. How will change the order of integration? See, so what is given here? So it is given that y is equal to 2 minus x. So we have to change it in terms of x. So x plus y is equal to 2. In terms of x, it will be, this is 2 minus y. So this will be 2 minus y. Now I am going to transform this one. So see here. So this is the origin point, that is a 0, 0, and here if you observe this one, so this is a straight line, this is a 0, 2, and here it will be the line here, that is a 0, 1, and this is 1, 1, and here the line is x is equal to 1 and this is y is equal to 1. And now see, in terms of x we have to write in terms of x. This will be x is equal to 2 minus y, and this is y is equal to 1. So this will be x is equal to 0, and what else? This is x is equal to 1. So everything is shown here, and these are the points. And now the strip will be, so this will be the horizontal strip. Now if we have to consider this horizontal strip, that is PQ, which will be sliding in this region. So this is the region R, and I'll show you. So this is bounded between these lines. So this will be the region. So the shaded part is the region, and now we have to change the integration. So our limits will be changed. So here, if you observe this one, so these are the two diagrams, and in the question it was asked that 0 to 1, and this is 1 to 2 minus x, xy, this is dy dx, and it's very clear that these are the y limits. So these are the y limits, and these are the x limits. Now after changing, see what happens here. See, our x limits will be, so x limits will be x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 2 minus y. If the strip is sliding in this direction, so it is touching this line, x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2 minus y. So the x limits I am writing as x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 2 minus y. It's very clear from this figure. And y limits, so y, it stands from, so the region starts from y is equal to 1 to y is equal to 2. So here the y limits are 1 and y limits are 2. If you understand this one, the whole problem will be finished. So here the x limits are x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2 minus y, and the y limits are from 1 to here 2. So if you write here in this side, so it will be very clear. It will be 0 comma 2. So this is 0 comma 2, and it starts from y starts from 1 to 2. So these are the y limits and these are the x limits. So the same thing here, xy, this is dy into dx. So after changing the order of integration, so we have to calculate this one. So in order to calculate this one, so y is equal to 1 to 2 is given, and x limits are 0 to, this is x is equal to 2 minus y, xy, this is dy into dx. First of all, I'll integrate with respect to x. So y is equal to 1 to y is equal to 2 for x. So what are the limits here? That is x square by 2. And y remains here, so y remains as it is, and dy, and x varies from, so this is x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 2 minus y. If I substitute the same thing here, then y is equal to 1 to y is equal to 2. If I substitute the upper limit, that is 2 minus y whole square by 2 into, this is y into dy. So this will be y is equal to 1 to y is equal to 2. So if you expand this one, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab into y by 2 into dy. So this will be y is equal to 1 to y is equal to 2. If I keep on multiplying, this will be 4y, this will be y cube minus 4y square by 2 into dy. So if I integrate with respect to y, this time this will be, here it will be y square by 2. So the constant here is like this, 4 into y square by 2 plus, so this is y power 4 by 4, and this is minus 4 times of, this is y cube by 3, y cube by 3 into, this is dy between the limits 1 to 2. This is 1 to 2 and this is 1 to 2. Now I have to substitute, that is half times of, that is 4 into, if I keep the upper limit, this will be 2 square, this is 4 by 2 minus, if I keep the lower limit, that is 4 minus 1 by 2, and here if I keep the upper limit, this will be 2 power 4. How much it is? This is 16 by 4 minus, if I keep minus, it is minus 1 by 4 minus, this is 4 times of 2 cube, that is 8 by 3, and minus of minus plus, this will be 4 by 3. So if I cancel this with the 2 table and this is a 4 table, if I cancel this, so nothing else. See here, so this will be half times of, this is 8, this is minus 2, this will be plus 4 minus 1 by 4, and this is 32 by 3, and this is 4 by 3. And if you see here, if you observe here, this will be half times of 8 minus 2, it is 6, plus 4, this will be 10, and here if I take LCM, here if I take 3 as LCM, this will be 28. This will be minus 28 by 3, and this is minus 1 by 4. And if you see, if I take 12 as LCM, this will be 120 minus 4 times 4 into 28, it is 112, minus this is 3. And if you observe this one, see here, so if you observe this one, so this will be half times of, this is 120 minus 115 by 12, so which is equal to, this is half times of, this is 5 by 12, and this value is 5 by 24. So what is this value actually? Actually this value is 0 to 1, and this is y ranges from 1 to, this is 2 minus x, xy dy dx value is 5 by 24. This is how we have to solve this problem. See, once in nutshell I'm telling. So this is the question given. So we have to evaluate by changing the order of integration. First of all, we have to identify the limits. So here the y limits are y is equal to 1 to y is equal to 2 minus x, and x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 1. So these are all the limit values, and within this limit we have to find this figure. So after plotting this, this is x plus y is equal to 2. So this is a straight line between 0 comma 2. So this is 0 comma 2 and 2 comma 0. So this is the only line which, if you keep y is equal to 0, then the x point is 2 comma 0, and if you keep x is equal to 0, the point is 0 comma 2. So this will be the straight line, and here x is equal to 0 is this line, y is equal to 1 is this line, and x is equal to 1 is this line. So out of these all boundaries, so this will be the region. First of all, we have to take a vertical strip so that it slides in this direction, and it will satisfy this data. Now so we have to change the order of integration according to our problem. So in terms of y, so y is equal to 2 minus x. So we have to transform in terms of x. So the figure changes like this. So now we have to take a horizontal strip, and we have to change the integration. So from this, the integration will be, the x varies from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 2 minus y, and y varies from this is 1 to 2. So the y limits are from 1 to 2, and x limits are from these boundaries, x is equal to 0 to x is equal to, this is 2 minus y. So now first of all I integrated with respect to x and substituted these values, and later I have integrated with respect to y and substituted the limits, and now after calculation I got the value as 5 by, so this is a 5 by 24, and this is how I have solved, and this is the way we have to solve. And thank you so much for watching and staying till the end and supporting this channel and leaving your thumbs up as gratitude. Please leave a comment if you want any problem for solution, and if you really like, you know what to do, please subscribe to this channel, share it with your friends, and thank you so much, and keep waiting for my upcoming videos, and they'll be very useful for your preparation. Thank you so much.